What's up everyone, this is Leo with Keyprint Co. And in today's video, we're going to be making some Mardi Gras face masks. But more importantly, we're going to be talking about how to aim your artwork using the face mask plugin and the software that comes with your printer. Let's get started. One of the best things about the face mask plan is that it matches up identically to the 7x8 print surface area in the software. So let me show you what I mean here. If I were to measure it from the bottom, 3 to 6 inches is the print surface area. So when you're aiming it in the software, you want to measure it from the center and then you want to start measuring from the bottom. And 3 to 6 inches is going to land exactly here. The entire width of the print surface area is 6 inches. So 3 to 6 from the bottom, 6 inches in width, you're good to go. Alright, jumping right into the software. If you start measuring from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, up to 4, 5, 6, we know that that's going to be our print surface area. And then from the center, you want to go 3 inches out in both ways. 1, 2, 3, good to go. 1, 2, 3, good to go. So this design is going to fall exactly in the center, and it's going to cover a majority of the print surface area when it does print. Alright, so let's bring it over to the software. See what I mean? 3 inches up from the bottom, that's exactly where it started here. You can see from the little green point at the bottom. It goes nearly all the way to the top, and then it extends the entire width of the print surface area. That lets you know that you're going to aim it exactly where it's at because our plans are exactly 1-to-1 to the software. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We hope you guys learned something about how to aim your artwork using the face mask plugin. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. And make sure you like, follow, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.